Hello and welcome to OIM Soapbox. Today I will help you to understand how BulkLoad works. So basically I will run a BulkLoad. I will import from this table here. I will import all these users to OIM using BulkLoad. Basically BulkLoad behind the scenes will include these users into USR table. So let's get started. The script is one. The main menu, you select the operation that you want to use for this BulkLoad. Basically my operation here is load user data. You get the Java home that I already exported. We will use the same Oracle home that is here because I just exported my Oracle home before. The service name, I will get my service name detail here. This is the service name related of the database, the port of the database 1521, and the SAID from my OIM database. The OIM username, the schema from OIM. Password, the password from the schema, OIM schema. Password again. Now you select what kind of input data you use. I will use the DB table today. Table name that we want to import is HR temp, from which table we want to import this data. Now we need to get all the columns that we want to include into this process, this BulkLoad process. Basically they will get these columns from my table and will get the same columns from USR table from OIM and include those records there. The table space I will use the same one, the same name, and the batch size I will use the default size 10,000. I want to include the logs because it's very important. My USR login that will include these users is Chelsea's ADM. Running. Okay, successfully. If you want to check the logs, you just need to go to this log here and see if it's loaded or not, how many records were loaded or not. Let me go there, show you. Sorry. Yeah, as you can see here, was loaded 20 records, was processed 20 records and loaded 20 records. Here we can get a control of what was processed and how many records was loaded. It means that all the 20 records are loaded into OIM. Let's check if, for example, this user here is into OIM right now. Perfect. As you can see, the user were loaded into OIM. So now we end this soapbox. Thank you very much. Have a great day.